again, this is optional. What I do, look for the part where you joined your thread, stick that hook through, and then just put in your hook and then wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through. For the first, to kick things off, I want you to do a chain. So chain 1. Then I want you to go into the next little hole, and what you need to do is just stick your hook in, wrap your yarn around, pull through, wrap your yarn round again and pull through. So you're now looking for the next little slot. You've already done 2 slots, so I'm going to miss one, then I'm going to go into the next little slot. So again, hook in, yarn around, pull through, yarn around the hook again and pull through again. So let's do that one more time. Hook into the next slot, yarn round, pull through, yarn round again and pull through. Miss the next one and then go again. So carry on that for the rest of the brim. Is you're going to try and find a space underneath that original chain. So through, pull through and pull through again. And then from there, you need to just snip it. Are going to thread your yarn through a darner. I would just make sure you're going to try and get this as smooth as possible. So I just bring it to form like another chain, then flick it over and just thread that through to secure it. Don't cut it at source, just thread it through for maybe 1 or 2, 3 centimeters, and then just snip it. Then for the other one, I will pick up the other tail and do the same again. So just thread it through nice and neatly. Just 2 or 3 centimeters will be fine. And then just snip it. And that is your nice crochet line. See how it's a nice smooth line on the edge.